Hello friends and welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you guys, I'm doing my final review on the Bondi Boost products. I bought so many, and so I have lots to talk to you about today. And you're gonna wanna stay tuned to the end because I'm doing my side-by-side comparison of when I first got my hair cut to today, which is January to May. So solid 4 months. So if that's content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and let's jump right into this video. Alright you guys, so if you guys have not seen part 1 to this video, go check that out. I did a full unboxing. I talked about all the products that I got. I took you to the hair salon. I showed you when I cut my hair. I'm going to do hair progress pictures for you guys. But I bought all the Bondi Boost stuff in January. I started using them in February, so February, March, April, and now it's May. I wanted to give it a good long time. You know, you gotta use the stuff to see if it really works, know what I'm saying? And honestly, I could do a review in 6 months and a review in a year, and it's gonna be different because, you know what I'm saying, like this kind of stuff just takes time. So if you guys are starting a hair growth journey, know that you're not gonna use a shampoo for a month and be like, oh my god, I have long luscious locks. That's just not how it works. So I just wanna be like upfront and honest, and I want you guys to go watch that other video so you guys can get like my first impressions. I was really excited to try this line. I've seen lots of influencers talk about these Bondi Boost products and I was just really curious. Also, I had been using Olaplex for years and I like Olaplex. However, I noticed I started using their purple shampoo too often and I was not like deep conditioning my hair enough. So it's okay, I'm not gonna go into it. I talk all about that in the first video, so go check that out if that's something that you guys are interested in. So I pulled everything out of my shower and I have it in this plastic basket because it's been in my shower, so it's a little wet. So first things first, I'm gonna go through the products that I like, the products that I don't like, why I think things worked for me, why I think things didn't work for me, and then I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing for my hair currently that has it feeling its best and just growing and all that jazz. So first things first, in January, I stopped blow drying my hair. I don't use hairspray on my hair anymore. I only use a curling iron, so I'll wash my hair at night, I let my hair dry, and then I curl my hair if I'm gonna curl my hair the next day. And I really like it. I actually really wanna try the Kitsch curling thing because I think that's the next piece of my puzzle because I love my hair curled. It just gives my hair some body and I have very thin, fine hair, and so I just like it when it's curled versus straight right now. So my issues and the reason why I bought the Bondi Boost. One, I wanted to grow my hair back out because my hair got really dried and fried from using the purple shampoo from Olaplex. So I bought purple shampoo, the whole system, the purple shampoo with the deep conditioner. Okay, I bought, this is the one that I was most excited about and the one that I had in my shopping cart first was the Rapid Repair Shampoo and Conditioner with the Rapid Repair Serum. I also got the HG, the Hair Growth Shampoo and Conditioner with the Hair Growth Intensive Spray. I also got the roller for my scalp and the vitamins. So I took the vitamins for a month and I am going to finish these vitamins. However, if you guys follow my channel at all, you guys know I've been on a supplement journey and I am taking like 100 supplements right now. And so these ones have fallen off. So when I was taking these originally, I was taking them in the morning on an empty stomach and was not having a problem with them at all. And then one morning I woke up, I took them and I was like, ooh, that doesn't make me feel good. And then the next day I took them again and I like had to go running for the bathroom. If you have a sensitive stomach like I do recommend eating these with food, just heads up. So I'm gonna slowly start incorporating these guys back into my routine because they've got good stuff in them, but I'm taking a multivitamin already, so I don't wanna like overdo it. Does that make sense? So I was going to swap out, you know, because I'm almost done with one of my multivitamins, so I was going to like add these guys in, but these don't have enough in them. So it's not a multivitamin, these are strictly for your hair and nails. So did I like them? Yes. Do I think that they made my hair grow miraculously? No, but I also haven't finished the bottle, so that's on me. So I'm going to continue using these. If you guys are interested in what my hair looks like after I've used these, just let me know in the comments down below. I can definitely do that for you guys. I just wanted to get this video up because I feel like I've been using the shampoos and stuff for so long that I really wanted to tell you guys about this in case you guys were curious. Now, the other concern that I've had with my hair is that I like being blonde. Like if I could be platinum blonde and it didn't make my hair fried and break, I would be platinum blonde all the time. I love it. So I don't like my hair looking really brassy, and so I've always leaned towards a purple shampoo, a purple conditioner. And so when I saw that Bondi Boost had a nourishing, hydrating, beautiful purple shampoo and conditioner and a deep hydrating mask, I was so excited. The reviews were great and it said that they were super hydrating. I will insert a clip. I actually did, like I was gonna film this video for you guys a while ago. So I actually demoed me putting the mask in my hair and all that jazz. Didn't do anything. Like not one thing. It did not hydrate my hair. It didn't make my hair feel like magical. It also did not kick the brassiness out of my hair at all. And I left the hair mask on for 10-15 minutes. It didn't do anything. It wasn't like a deep conditioning treatment. Like I didn't feel like my hair was like, oh, this feels really nice. Because I feel like, okay, fine, if the color pigment's not gonna be great, okay, at least let it be a good conditioner. But it wasn't for me. It didn't do it. It didn't give me what I wanted. So I've not used this guy again because it didn't do anything for me. And it's a waste of my time. At the beginning of the hair journey, I was going back and forth. I was using this once a week. I was using this guy once a week. And I was like every other time. I would use one and then I would use the other. And so I decided that in April, I would just do the hair growth to see how it was working. So in April, all the month of April, I only used this shampoo and conditioner. Now, something that you should know about me, if you don't know about me, I do have psoriatic arthritis and I have psoriasis mainly on my scalp. So I have a very sensitive scalp. One of the main reasons I switched away from using Olaplex was because I think it just had too much oil in it and I would get pustules on my scalp and it was really uncomfortable and I didn't like it. Okay, and so I had been alternating my shampoos and then I went in and I just did this guy for a month and my scalp is still recovering, you guys. I have pustules all over my scalp. My scalp hurts really, really bad. It doesn't hurt when I use the shampoo. It just smells like peppermint and it's fine. But my scalp it hurts really bad right now just by using this for the last month. And the same thing with this guy. I tried using this spray and this spray either makes my scalp really oily or it just makes my scalp break out in psoriasis. So I won't use it because it makes my scalp hurt. Okay, the Scalp Roller. So the Scalp Roller says you cannot use it on skin that has pustules or any broken skin. And so honestly, I haven't even tried it because when I first started using Bondi Boost, I was getting my scalp better from the Olaplex, which I would get pustules on my scalp from that. And then I was in a psoriatic arthritis flare, so my scalp flared then, and then I used the hair growth system and I got like my scalp went all crazy. So I haven't had a chance to use the roller yet, though I was really excited to try the roller because I'm an esthetician and I love that stuff. So I will give that a try as soon as my scalp calms down. My favorite, you guys, and what actually worked for me, so I had obviously blonde, dry, damaged hair. This shampoo and conditioner are fantastic. First of all, one pump of the shampoo cleans your hair, makes your hair feel great, wonderful. The conditioner, one pump of conditioner will actually go throughout my hair. My hair feels really hydrated when I'm done using these guys. And I notice a difference. Like I noticed a difference after the first time I used this, and I notice a difference every single time I use this. Likewise, this guy, the one that goes with it, the Rapid Repair Serum, I use one pump of this, like especially around my ends right here and the bottoms of my hair when I get out of the shower, and I love it. This stuff is great. It doesn't weigh my hair down. I feel like it's doing something. You can tell, you know what I mean? Like something's either drying your hair out or it's hydrating your hair. I don't feel dry after this and my hair is stronger than it's been. So for me personally, with the blonde and just with what I've got going on right now, this system right here was worth every penny. and everything else I wish I could send back because it did nothing for my hair. So what I've been doing to keep my hair like really, really good, in really good shape, I use this stuff, obviously. And then once a week, just once a week, I will use my Olaplex purple shampoo to help kick the brassiness out. But when I do this guy, I deep condition my hair with this S Factor Serious Conditioner, which I've used this stuff for years. I mean, I discovered this stuff years and years ago. I love it. It smells amazing. It doesn't weigh my hair down, but it really hydrates my hair when I really need it. So if I'm gonna use this one, I use an intense conditioner that actually does something to my hair. And this isn't purple or anything, it's just a normal conditioner, but it's been really good for my hair. And then last time when I was at my hairstylist's, I think like a month ago, what I was telling her was I really wanted a heat protectant for my hair because I feel like this guy helps repair my hair, but I still curl my hair even though I'm not blow drying my hair and I'm doing less damage to my hair than I was. I'm still curling my hair. So she gave me this. This is the brand that she sells at her salon. It's Jack Wynn. It's called Vitamin Silk Leave-In Therapy. It's detangling, hydrating, and a thermal protectant. I was putting this on my hair at night after I'd washed my hair, but what I've started doing is in the morning, I'll spray a couple pumps of that in my hand and then I'll put it in my ends and, you know, around all my areas that I have blonde to make sure that I'm really getting thermal protectant there. And I avoid my scalp because, again, my scalp has been so sensitive lately and my hair is doing really well, you guys. I will take some pictures, but I mean, we chopped, I mean, it's, you know, it's 2-3 inches longer, which for me, that's really good because my hair grows slow. I don't know. I cut my hair in January and I feel like it's at a pretty good length right now. I was hoping that it would be long and luscious because that's what the reviews say. But also I couldn't use the hair growth shampoo to get the results that I want for me personally because it just literally, you guys, I'm not gonna show you. It's been like 10 days since I stopped using that and my scalp is just finally starting to like come back to me a little bit. I washed my hair last night, but I had big old pustules on my scalp just last night. So not fun, not my thing. Anyway, so that's my review of the Bondi Boost. I was really hoping to be like, I love it all, it's all magical and amazing, because that's always like my internal hope. Like I want them to work and I want them to be great and I want to recommend them to you guys. So if you have blonde hair and you need like hydrate, repair, I cannot recommend this stuff enough. This was worth, literally, I will just keep buying this stuff. This stuff was so fantastic. I absolutely loved this system. And then, you know, my other stuff, my other stuff that I've been doing. I will list everything in the description box down below. If you guys have had a different experience, let me know. I want to hear it. Let me know in the comments down below. This is just what worked and what didn't work for me and my hair. Again, I have really sensitive scalp. Like I have psoriasis on my scalp, so it's not gonna be like that for everybody. So if it's something that you're interested in, give it a try. But I'll definitely pass this along to somebody that could absolutely use it. Of all the things, I was the most disappointed in this purple shampoo and conditioner because it literally didn't do anything. Like anything at all, and I was pretty disappointed about that. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna stand up and I'll show you guys my hair so you guys can see the length. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried Bondi Boost. If you guys want to try Bondi Boost, let me know, because I love chatting with you guys down there. And May is Arthritis Awareness Month, so if you guys are interested, go check out my other arthritis videos. I've got them listed in the description box down below, or go follow me on Instagram. I am CharleneTown_. I would love to have you guys over there. And if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.